Your Maths Today Year 4 is continuing to work with money, and we are ordering and comparing amounts of money today. So for your anchor task, I want you to identify the amounts of money in each day of the week. So Mondays are here, and how much money does this person have on Monday? And continuing for all 5 days of the week. Okay, so how can we compare amounts of money? So looking at these 5 different amounts, we can see they're not all in the same unit of measure. So question 1 is asking you to compare 324 pence with £3.42. So we need to make sure that we are always using the same unit of measure. So we need to make them all pence or all into pounds and pence. So all as a decimal number or all as a whole number. So we typically wouldn't say we've got 324 pence, but we would say we've got £3.42. So let's convert this number, this pence, into pounds. So we know that there are 100 pence in £1, and we have 324 pence. So what we could do to find out what this is as pounds is we could divide it by 100. So 324 divided by 100, so thinking about our place value grid and moving our numbers 2 places to the right, because our number is getting 100 times smaller, so it is moving through the place value grid twice. So hundreds, tens and ones, tenths, hundredths, and our decimal point. Okay, our number at the moment is 324. We have identified we are making it 100 times smaller, so moving 2 places. So our number, our 4 would move to the hundredths, our 2 would move to the tenths, and our 3 would move to the ones. So we're not moving our decimal point. £3.24 would be, 324 pence would be £3.24. So now we can compare these numbers using our greater than, less than, or equals to sign. We can see that £3.42 is bigger than £3.24, so we would use the correct crocodile in the middle. So you have one to think about here. You have 206 pence, 260 pence, and 260 pence and £2.60. So have a little go at that one and pause, and then have a see how I've done it. So again, I know that 206 pence, if 100 pence is £1, then 200 pence would be £2, and I have 6 pence left over. So using pounds and pence, 206 pence is £2.06. Obviously this is already in the correct unit of measure, so let's convert 260 pence. I know that 100 pence is £1, so 200 pence is £2, and I have 60 pence left over. So, using my crocodiles and equals sign again, £2.06 is smaller than £2.60, but £2.60 and 260 pence are equal. So my answer would look like that. So, for silver today, you are completing questions 1, 2, 3, and questions 1, 2, and 3. There are 3 questions there for questions 3. And you are going to be showing your understanding of using pence and pounds and knowing how many pence are in a pound, and also recognising your notes and coins using your greater than, less than, and equal to sign. And then for gold, you are doing questions 4 onwards, again using your greater than, less than and equals, but also writing amounts in ascending and descending order. So have a think about what those words mean. We touched on them last week. So ascending is getting from smaller to bigger, and descending is the opposite, the inverse, so it's getting bigger to smaller. And you've got some reasoning and problem solving questions here. Finally, for Platinum, I've got you some more tricky questions to think about and explain different scenarios, if you could find more than one possible way of doing something. Any questions, please email me.